So here's a little bite-sized demo on making your own transparencies. I'm starting here with a laser copy on paper. It could also be a photocopy, just not an inkjet print. And some vegetable oil from the studio and a clean blue shop towel. And on a clean slab of glass, you're going to put some oil right on top of your paper and begin gently massaging it into the sheet. You will go round and round, and then you'll probably have to add a couple of more drips of oil here and there. And I've sped up this video, but the whole process really only takes a couple of minutes. So careful not to crinkle your paper. You're going to rub it all the way in on the front, flip it over, and do the back, and then we're going to flip it back over and do the front again. Then we're going to mop up any excess oil on the table. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean. And finding a clean spot on our blue rag, we're going to ensure that we don't have any big shiny pools of oil left over on the copy. I'm going to flip it over and do the back. And then we're going to bring it over to the drying rack and place it on a piece of newsprint and allow it to dry for at least 24 hours before you use it. You can expose this essentially like a frosted mylar exposure. And the only thing you have to keep an eye out for is any slight oil that gets on the exposure unit. So there you go, a quick and oily way to make your own transparencies.